Hey guys, what's up? I just discovered something. Um, it's really weird that I've been using PMX editor for 3 years now, and I still find new things about it almost every day. You see this edit menu here? Um, you want to know what happens when we go to simple primitive? We've got these options here. Like we've got plane, which means just random square thingy, and box, sphere, cylinder, torus, and then the interesting thing, text. See, it's kind of weird, honestly, that we have an ability to create text, but I think I should be a little concerned about the fact that we can literally, let's try this. Okay. Do you see this? You see this shit? It literally translates text into physical 3D models. And I don't know how the hell it works, but it does. It just does. Like, I was going to make a normal tutorial about this, but then I was like, But to make this more of a tutorial, I'm going to show you, then we've got this, which is torus. You could basically control what the number of lines around it is, like the vertice count, through clicking these buttons. And then you got the cylinder. You can, This is so weird, though. I don't know how to feel about this, because I just found out this exists. And then you've got sphere. And then you just got the weird boxes again. Like, it just kind of looks like this. I don't understand it, but it's a thing. Again, how to get to this menu, you go to Edit in PMX View, and all the way down to the bottom where it says Simple Primitive. And apparently you can also do Control P. So, yeah, this is a thing I didn't know. Bye, guys.